Right after the purchase is completed, this page appears. A thank you message and a clean, interactive feedback poll. Simple, effective, and fully customizable. Let's see how we can build this step by step using Depicter. From the WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add Plugin. Search for Depicter, install it, and activate the plugin. Once it's active, head to the Depicter dashboard. Inside Depicter, click on Templates. Open the Survey category and import one of the survey templates. Since this design will appear after purchase, I update the first slide and add a clear thank you message for the customer. At the bottom, I click Open Steps panel. Here, I rearrange the steps to better fit a post-purchase feedback flow. Now we're on the second step. I remove the existing element and add an opinion scale element instead. Set end value to 5. Disable display label. Enable required. Next, I choose the colors and define the selected color. In the Hover tab, I also add a hover effect for the scale. Then, in the Animation tab, I apply an entrance animation, Move from Right. Let's hit Preview and check the result. Here we have a single photo choice element. It works fine. I'm just updating the title. Moving to the next step. Here, we have a multi-photo choice element. I double-click the labels and rename them to my product categories. For the images, I simply drag and drop new visuals to replace them. On the next step, we have an email form. Everything looks good here, so I move on. This is the final step. We have several social media icons. After selecting each one, under the Options tab, you can easily add and manage their links. The survey is ready. I click Publish. Now I click the WordPress icon to return to the main dashboard. Go to Pages, Add New, and create a new page. Inside the page, I add the Depicter widget, select the survey we just created, and publish the page. Here's the result, a clean, engaging feedback poll. To make this page appear after checkout, I install another plugin. From Plugins, Add Plugin, search for Thank You page for WooCommerce, then install and activate it. In the plugin settings, on Thank You page, I select the page we just created and save the changes. Let's see the final result. I set one product's price to 0 for testing, complete the checkout process, and there it is. The feedback survey appears immediately after purchase. By the way, all responses submitted in this survey are available inside the Leads section of Depicter. With Depicter, you can build all kinds of surveys and quizzes, fully customizable and interactive. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe for more design and workflow tips. And if you have a specific use case in mind, leave a comment below. We read them all.